Hi! Welcome to Mew Mew's ice cream truck. I can make all kinds of yummy icy treats. Oh, the customer seems to be here. Welcome.
This frozen dessert looks so good. I'd like to give it a try.
Smoothie with tapioca pearls. Choose a cup of tasty juice first. Peach flavor. Turn the handle to grind the ice into smoothie. Lemonade can make the smoothie tastier. Which kind of tapioca pearls do you like? Put cooked pearls in ice water to make them even more chewy. Finally, let's decorate. The smoothie with tapioca pearls is ready! That's great! Let's serve it to our customer!
This ice dessert is gorgeous.
It might result in stomach ache when eating too much ice treats. Wow! We've unlocked a new prop! Welcome!
Yo ho! Please give me this one.
Ice cream in chocolate bowl. First, choose the type of chocolate you like. Chocolate turns into the sticky chocolate syrup when it's heated. The round balloon is perfect for serving as a mold of the chocolate bowl. Next, let's prepare some tasty nuts. Chocolate tastier. The chocolate bowl is ready for holding ice cream scoops. Let's roast some more marshmallows and put them on top of the ice. Wow, the roasted marshmallows smell good. Wow, the ice cream and chocolate bowl is ready. Our customer must be very satisfied. Welcome! What should I order? Rainbow popsicle. These ingredients are needed for making the rainbow popsicle. Sugar, milk, flour, egg beater, There are so many flavors. Which blueberry flavor? Chocolate flavor. Kiwi fruit flavor. Pineapple flavor. Rainbow candy flavor. Rainbow candy flavor. Strawberry flavor. Let's pour the mixture into the mold. Kiwi fruit, blueberry, strawberry, pineapple, cherry, banana. Finally, let's decorate. Wow! The delicious rainbow popsicle is ready! The guests will love it! Welcome! Hello, I'd like to try this one. Marshmallow ice cream. First, let's get the ingredients ready for the ice cream. Whipping cream, milk, Sugar. Sugar. Egg. Use a bottle to suck up the yolk. Phew! 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 Egg beater. There are so many chocolate flavor. Top it with the crispy chocolate bars. We also need to make the soft marshmallow. Which shape of marshmallow do you like? Oh, let's roll the marshmallow. It tastes even better with decorations. The marshmallow ice cream is ready. It looks great. Huh? It's yummy! Welcome! Phew! I am soaked with sweat. Let me have some ice food to beat the heat. Colorful fruity mix. First, pour the ingredients in the yogurt machine. Yogurt starter. Milk. Slide to set correct number on the timer. Not this number. Please try again. The yogurt is ready. Let's scoop it out. There are so rainbow candy flavor, chocolate flavor, rainbow candy flavor. Let's pour a layer of yogurt. And then sprinkle some fruits on it. Blueberry. Banana. Banana. Cherry. We can also add some sweet condensed milk on the fruity. Pour the condensed milk into a pastry bag. Finally, let's decorate. The colorful fruity mix is ready. It looks yummy. We could upgrade our ice cream truck now. The upgrade is complete. Let's head for next spot to sell icy treats.